This for the basket house. So when y'all were born and y'all were little girl, y'all mamas and daddy raised y'all to fuck one sick man. As the nasty y'all mamas, y'all embarrass y'all families. Y'all mamas raised y'all to fuck the nastiest man on Instagram, huh? Hey, look, I ain't, before, when I first got on Instagram, that was like, before I made music and stuff, Buskin went in on me about it, cause y'all fell for it. Like, look, look, it ain't normal. It's not, y'all ain't got it all. Look, normal women don't fuck behind 1,000 crackhead hoes. Then y'all fucking behind G-Monster. Y'all fucking behind gay men. Y'all fucking behind street bitches. Y'all don't give a fuck, do you? Because of that high. But yeah, Bossy got y'all on this shit. Y'all need think it was gonna be somebody that come in the world down y'all like this. Y'all thought y'all could boss look. Y'all fucking my basehead hoe, janky bitch, and then Bossy. He be raw dogging these homeless women. Y'all take out Reggie and jump in the bed with his stinking ass. God do it. Y'all got one husband. Then Bosky for the street. He for everybody. Y'all hoes don't give a fuck. Y'all hoes ain't shit. But look, y'all hoes ain't got it all. Y'all ain't got it all. Yeah, then Bosky, he a fucking man, a woman, a child, a animal. Bosky fuck a piece of furniture. Anything dead or alive. That's what you want to give your pussy. So, when you go to Bosky house, you get your pussy, you let Bosky take your dick out of a man's butt and put it in your pussy. That normal, huh? Not real women don't do that. Then Bossy, so you let Bossy take your dick out of an animal butt. Oh shit! So y'all hoe let Bossy take his dick out of an animal butt. So Bossy, he take his dick out of a monkey butt and put it in your pussy, and that normal. Then Bossy, he take his dick out of an elephant butt, putting it in it. Man, y'all so crazy. Y'all don't even know it. Y'all goddamn crazy.